In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel auto invest using the Binance app with a clear and easy step-by-step guide made especially for you. Often we set up auto invest plans to build our investment portfolio automatically over time, but circumstances change and you might find yourself needing to cancel or change those plans. Whether you're reorganizing your financial goals or just need to pause those investments for a while, cancelling an auto invest plan on the Binance app is a straightforward process if you just know where to look. First things first, make sure you have your Binance app ready and installed on your mobile device. If you haven't done so yet, you'll need to log into your Binance account to access all the features we'll be using today. Real quick, just a reminder to ensure you have steady internet connectivity for a seamless experience as we go through these steps. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the home screen of the app. The next move is tapping on the More option. This can sometimes be a bit tricky to find if you're new to the app, but don't worry, it's usually located at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap More, you'll encounter a variety of features Binance has to offer. From this menu, you need to select Auto Invest. Now that you're in the Auto Invest section, here's where you begin to take charge of your subscriptions. What you want to do next is tap on the My Plan option. This page will showcase all the active auto invest plans linked to your account. Each will have its details laid out so you can quickly identify which plans are currently in operation. Navigating through your plans, identify the specific auto invest plan that you're looking to cancel. This step is crucial because you want to ensure you're managing the right plan, as cancelling an incorrect one might not serve your financial strategy. Take a moment to double check the details, like the type of investment or the schedule associated with it, to avoid any mishaps. Once you're sure about the plan you'd like to cancel, look for the little pencil icon beside it. This icon is your gateway to making changes or removing the plan entirely. Tapping it will bring up additional options, and you'll want to select Remove Plan to confirm your decision to cancel. That's pretty much all there is to it. With those simple steps, you've successfully cancelled your auto invest plan on the Binance app. Remember, this allows you to always stay in control of your investments, adapting as your financial landscape evolves. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to keep up with the rest of our tutorials for more insights on efficiently managing your financial activities.